all have, or at least most of us have, a lot of extra time on our hands. We aren't supposed to go out, and it's probably not a good idea to be going and working in people's homes, kind of putting any projects kind of on the back burner, waiting on this to settle out. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop and a couple of workbenches. Hey, if you want to get a set of any of these plans to build for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. Also remember, if you like these videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up and subscribe. Most important, share the channel with others. So I'm working on a few projects in the shop. I'm here by myself, which is typical. And most of the projects I do, I don't roll the cameras. It's one of those things where I really enjoy making the videos, but I can just show up to the shop and do my thing and think about, what I'm doing and pay attention. Once the cameras are on, I have to think, oh, is the audio going? I don't have the way to hear it, so I have to look on the screen there and see the little, oh yeah, I'm getting my sound in, and oh, the camera up there, I have to look at the phone and make sure that it's in the right spot. And then when I move, so it's kind of like when I'm doing the dishes at night. I just get up from the table, I move the dishes over, I rinse them, and put them in the dishwasher. I can imagine what that would take if I had to set up cameras and get different angles to show you how I was washing the dishes. But I've decided that I'm going to record a few more projects than I normally do. And I'm going to do that because I think in this time, it's really important to, stay away from other people to stay safe, for sure. But it's also important to take care of yourself physically and mentally. And I think that a little distraction, dropping into my shop here, see what I'm doing, can give you a few minutes of hopefully entertainment, maybe a little bit of instruction, hopefully some inspiration. So as I do these, I hope you enjoy them. I hope that a couple extra videos, I don't know how many extra, I'll just try to do as many as I can. But I hope that a few extra videos that you can drop into the shop a little more often might help you get through this time a little easier. And if you happen to be one of us that are stuck at home, this might be a good time to organize your truck, your trailer, build that workbench that you've been planning on building, getting ready to go, because we have an incredibly strong economy in the United States. And this is going to bounce back. And we're going to be looking back on this and going, oh, remember that, remember this. It's going to pass, and we're going to be right back at it hard and fast. In fact, there'll probably be a lot of demand on our time once things start to get back to normal, and it'll be a good time to be more efficient. So, this is a time to do it, to get organized and to, kind of put it all together. Those that have said, oh, well, I'd love to do that, but I don't have the time. Well, now you have the time. So let's make the most of it and do some of those things. And if you don't have organization or benches to build or things like that, then this is a really good time to get that honey-do list done. So there's a lot of things we can do to occupy our time and really be productive and get a lot of things done. One more thing. I know a lot of you have really cool ideas, some fixtures and jigs you've built, some techniques you have, some things you've learned over years and years. And we'd love to, all of us would love to see those. So it's a little harder to go out and turn the camera on, but if you can, maybe with your kids at home, they can run the camera, move it around for you, or maybe you can just set up on a tripod like I do. But try to grab a little video, and if you want to, you can upload it to Dropbox, free to sign up and get a Dropbox, and then send me a link saying, hey, here it is, and I can download it. And if you if you like and you approve, I'll put it up on this channel for everybody to see. And if you're not an editor, if you don't really have that, you just want to grab the video and just kind of do your best about talking through what you're doing, then put it there, and I'll try to get through and edit those and put them together. I might put 2 or 3 together and shorter ones together. I might do them individually. Again, I'm just offering that there. It's a good chance if you don't have your own YouTube channel, you don't have a place you really share it, or if you just want to get it out to more people. We have well over 100,000 subscribers here on this channel, so it might be just another way to feel better, to share some of your ideas. I tell you, it's very rewarding to share a tip or technique or just kind of what you're doing with like-minded woodworkers out there. Stay safe and 6 feet apart. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Have a great day.